Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks, and welcome to my Fixer Upper. This week we'll be focusing on demolishing the interior of this property so that we can build it back up. I am always happy to see the dumpster arrive. For me, it represents the kickoff of the renovation project. As I mentioned in the introduction video, which I'll link in the description box below, the new floor plan includes removing the walls between the living room, dining room, and kitchen. To do that, we first need to confirm that the home's truss system will support the wall removal, as the construction documents show. To be sure we know what we're working with, we're removing the entire ceiling in these three areas. I thought the worker had come downstairs, so I tried to shoot a little video quickly. Surprise! No worries, no one was harmed in the making of this video. While the ceiling demo work is happening, the rest of the home's interior is also being demolished. And during this time in a project, you are sure to find some unexpected problems and costs. So, the first problem we encountered is a concrete column blocking the entry to the future garage. Not good. Sorry, I'm trying to get this video over, but this column, it's not supposed to be there. And guess what it's blocking? It's blocking the door to the extension, the garage that we're supposed to be adding. It's always something. We decided to leave it for now since it houses the furnace's vent. But of course, that's not the only surprise. Next, I learned from the electrician that all of the electrical wiring is old and it needed to be removed and brought up to code. Now, I anticipated that we would need some wiring replaced, but not the entire house. So that, of course, is a $5,000 hit. And the last unexpected find is the main water shutoff valve. Now, we realized that it was in the crawl space under the house. So if a major leak occurs in the house, we would need to run outside of the house, get up underneath in the crawl space to shut off the water valve. That was not going to work. So for an additional $1,200, we're moving the shutoff valve inside the house into the future laundry closet. Now, back to the ceiling demo and removing the walls out there in the living room, dining room, kitchen area. So yes, the existing truss system with some minor structural work will allow us to remove the walls between these spaces. Yay! So the demo took about a week to complete, which is right on schedule, and the demo itself cost about $3,800. So I have a question for you. Now that you've seen the floor plan and the demo, what do you think this whole house interior renovation is going to cost? Leave your answer in the comment section below, and at the end of this project, we'll announce who came closest. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.